Today we're doing potato salad. It's Saturday, and it's everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right, here we go with our ingredients. We got eggs, potatoes, mustard, mayonnaise, relish, onions, and celery. We're gonna hit this up with some salt and pepper too. And that's pretty much it. And I was also taught, it's 1 egg for every potato. So if you're making, 1 potato, 1 egg, 5 eggs, 5 potatoes. Now guys, it's important, critically important, to make sure everything is dry. You don't want to have a wet potato salad. You ever see those wet potato salads? There's just water pooling up in it. No, I don't make that. All right, you can cut your celery up, something like about this size right here. You can go finer, you can go bigger. This is just the way I like it. Onions, we're gonna do pretty much the same thing, the same size. Something like that. I like mine's a little crunchy. All right, we're gonna take that, put that on the side. Now I peel my potatoes before I put them in the water. I used to get, I guess I could call it kind of lazy. Put them in and boil them first, and then you have a hot potato and you're trying to peel them. It's not fun. So now I just peel them. This is a labor of love potato salad. It's a lot of cutting, chopping, boiling, cutting, chopping. It's a little tedious. It's not the most fun thing to cook, but I got something going on my laptop there. I'm watching something. Turn on your tunes, start rocking out. All right, so we're boiling our eggs and our potatoes. So potatoes have cooled, so it's easy to handle here now. Just cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Now you want to cook your potatoes down to the point where you can just stick your fork or something in them and they're not falling apart. Just kind of slides in and hangs on the fork. That's when you know you're done. Anything more than that, you're gonna have watery potato salad. Don't want no watery potato salad. All right, so in with our mayo. Use your favorite mayonnaise. All right, guys, please like, subscribe. Let's give this channel a little boost. Let me know I'm doing a good job or I'm doing a bad job. Throw that check mark up, that thumb mark. Throw that up. All right, we're going to fold the potatoes because we want to keep the potatoes intact. Roll, fold it over. All right, use your judgment how much mayonnaise you need. Yeah, potato salad, I wish I could give you a recipe for this. But everybody's potato salad is different. Everybody, you can follow a recipe, but this is definitely a done by feel. So there you go. I'm happy with how much mayonnaise we have. Now in with your egg. Now you can take your eggs and really chop them up, but I like it, so that you can get a piece of that yolk. It's a different texture than a potato. So I go about this size that you see here. That's it. You go in with the rest of them. Now I did stop. I didn't put all the eggs because I thought I had enough. Again. Now I had chopped up a little bit more celery. It's about equal amounts. And then now we're going to fold in the eggs, the onions, and the celery. Now guys, I know this is pretty simple, but a good potato salad takes time. A good potato salad, you got to be patient with it. You can't just go jamming your spatula and turning and no. Take your time, step by step. You don't want to overdo it. Always add, you can't take away. So we got the 4 little dollops of mustard, And we're going in with our sweet relish. I don't put sugar in my potato salad, nothing like that. I just don't do that. You know, I've seen people out there do that. Right, now that's about an equal amount of the celery and the onions that we put in. So now we're gonna give this a quick fold and let this all start to come together. Cause we're in the home run stretch, we're just about done. Here we go, just fold. This look familiar? Yeah, it's our intro. All right, guys, we got potato salad now. I gave this a little taste. Just needs a little pop. Salt and pepper. Give that a turn. A little bit more salt and pepper. All right, so we're just about there. All right, a little paprika for presentation. I normally don't really put paprika on top. Guys, I couldn't really figure out how I was gonna present this, you know, for our thumbnail. But here's our little flyover. And this is our potato salad. This is the way my mama makes potato salad. Every day cooking, Dad. Cook it every single day.